For our quick tip, I'm going to tell you why I do not use regular scissors to cut my illusion netting. We're going to use the rotary cutter, the yardstick, and the illusion to make the perfect cut for you. So let's get started. We have our netting, we have our yardstick, we have our rotary cutter, and I'm going to show you the difference between the rotary cutter cut and scissor. I'm going to go ahead and just cut straight across. And if you'll notice, the edge is just not perfect. It's going to be curvy a little bit. There might be some jagged parts like that right there. So now I'm going to show you how to do that with a rotary cutter. We're basically doing the same thing, but now we're going to use our yardstick. So line that up. And then we're going to take our rotary cutter. With some pressure, you're going to gently go across right next to your yardstick, giving it a perfect cut every time. You cannot get straighter than that. All right, and you're going to do that on all your edges. And now we'll show you how to do the curved edge at the bottom. We're ready to cut the edge of the veil and round it off. And you could use one of these templates where you round it off using that. And I recommend it if you don't feel like you can do it or eyeball it, but I've done it so many times. I'm just going to go ahead and get the veil lined up. So airy, but you're the master of the netting, okay? Tell yourself that. It will obey you. And now I'm just going to make an eyeball cut. I'm coming in. I'm just rounding off that edge. And there's a nice cut. Now, if you notice, this is a little bit more of a pronounced curve with almost like an edge there. And that's a great look as well. There's so many ways you can cut this. I'm going to round this off even further. I'm going to take off some of that curve there, and I'm going to round it off a little straighter up. And sometimes they'll get stuck there. Don't pull because it will snag. And you just kind of go like that. And it's clean and ready to go. That's it. Now you've got your rounded edge. All right, so we rounded the edge off. And as you can see, it's not an exact science. You can actually chip away at it. You can make it more curved, less curved. It's kind of up to you and what style you're looking for. I feel like it's the right length and the right veil for my bride, and I'm going to get started on getting this on a comb, but that's going to be another tutorial. I'll show you how to gather and place on a comb. For now, we're done with the cutting of the edge.